To lead, to manage, or is it a mixture? That's really a question a lot of people have. Is one the right answer? Well, we work with a lot of different companies and organizations where we go through that activity of understanding what are the different things, the different activities, the different tasks, if you will, that leaders and managers undertake. And what we've been able to determine is that leadership is generally about working with people. Leadership's end result, the end product of great leadership, is fantastic teams. And their team members are likely going to be more involved in some of the management, which tends to focus more on task-based activities. Those tasks could be anything from designing schedules, doing planning, creating budgets, running meetings. Those are all great management activities. And what we find that the leaders are more involved in is charting the course of where the organization's going and thinking from a vision perspective, working on systems, building relationships, all things that are people-focused. So there's usually a blend depending on the position, and the closer you are to the front line, the more you might have a management component that's taking a higher percentage of your time. However, we find that everybody, when they start thinking about where they need to invest their time to have their highest performing team, they're going to move more to the leadership and people end of the business.